Hi, I'm a third-year medical student here to talk about why health policy matters. It is something that I've been studying for a long time. I started out learning about public policy when I was completing my pre-med requirements and definitely got more than just a few questions as to why it's been useful. And I think, though, 2020 has really proven to make my point, where doctors should really be invested in public health efforts. When it comes to coronavirus, doctors really had useful insight that they were able to help out with when it came to the coronavirus response. And additionally, when doctors haven't really been as involved when it comes to this type of disaster management, we've seen the challenges that had come about when it came to testing and personal protective equipment shortages. And I think that knowing the amount of skills and expertise that physicians have, they have the ability to make huge changes in our society, especially considering that the people who are making health policies, crafting them, are not necessarily always doctors. There are plenty of other stakeholders that are involved. People in Congress who are voting on these issues are not necessarily physicians either. In fact, they're mostly not. And so having that perspective is so crucial and so important. If it isn't even for personal reasons as to why health policy is so important, why health care is so important, then even the fact that poor health leads to poor economic consequences as well, that's something we've seen and has lasting impacts on our society. So physicians having that insight into the medical system, into what patients need and what's important, can really help impact the overall health of our society, of our economy, and of people as a whole. So it's a very special role in understanding that we are workers that are part of a larger system with external factors that end up contributing to the quality of care that we provide and how we make our decisions with our patients and who also gets access to care is actually incredibly important for improving upon our current healthcare system. So just knowing the integral role that physicians have in a variety of healthcare related issues and public health related issues means that we are capable of being a voice and an advocate to really improve the system. So that's my very quick, brief spiel as to why health policy really matters and why I encourage a lot of students to also get more engaged and learn more about issues that are impacting themselves, but also their patients and the people around them. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next.